Hello everyone and welcome to Almanzil Times. In today's video, we will be discussing one of the most significant events in world history, the French Revolution and the rise of democracy. The French Revolution was a period of significant political and social upheaval that had a profound impact on the world. It marked the end of the monarchy in France and paved the way for the establishment of the First French Republic. It also laid the foundation for modern democracy, with its emphasis on the principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity. The French Revolution remains one of the most important events in world history and serves as a reminder of the power of people to demand change and fight for their rights. To understand the French Revolution and the rise of democracy, we first need to understand the political and social context of France in the late 18th century. At this time, France was a monarchy ruled by King Louis XVI, who was facing economic troubles and social unrest. The French society was divided into three classes known as estates: the clergy, the nobility, and the commoners, also known as the Third Estate. The Third Estate, which comprised around 98% of the population, was heavily taxed while the other two estates were exempt from most taxes. This led to widespread dissatisfaction among the commoners who were struggling to make ends meet. Furthermore, the Enlightenment ideas that had been spreading throughout Europe were also influencing the French people, leading to a demand for greater political and social equality. The French Revolution began in 1789 when the Third Estate, feeling increasingly marginalized, declared itself the National Assembly and demanded a new constitution that would give them greater representation and political power. However, King Louis XVI resisted these demands, leading to the storming of the Bastille prison on July 14, 1789, which is now celebrated as France's National Day. The revolutionaries then created the Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen, which laid out the fundamental principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity that would come to define the revolution. In 1792, the monarchy was abolished and King Louis XVI was executed, leading to the establishment of the First French Republic. The French Revolution also brought about significant changes in the political structure of France, paving the way for the rise of democracy. In 1791, the Constitution of 1791 was adopted, which established a constitutional monarchy and a unicameral legislature. However, this system was short-lived as the radical Jacobins seized power in 1793 and established the Committee of Public Safety, which would lead the Reign of Terror and ultimately culminate in the dictatorship of Napoleon Bonaparte. Nevertheless, the French Revolution had a lasting impact on the political landscape of Europe. The principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity that were established during the Revolution became the foundation of modern democracy. The French Revolution also inspired other countries to overthrow their monarchies and establish democratic governments, including the United States and various Latin American countries. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.